Hello everybody, my name is Mohsen Janatpour. I am Professor of Math, Physics and Astronomy. I am also Coordinator of Astronomy Program. I have the privilege of being your instructor for Fall 2020 Physics 210, and I would like to welcome you to a semester of fun and learning. The picture that you see in your background is showing you how I deal with my classes. In the picture, my students, Physics 270, are celebrating my 75th birthday. To the right of that, you will see my students are well aware of my idiosyncrasies and they express themselves when I am not looking. The point is, in this course, you will have fun learning physics, and I try to create an environment in which learning becomes paramount. In Physics 210, you will learn about Newtonian laws of physics, especially the case of linear motion and rotational motion. You will also learn about thermodynamics. But more importantly, you will learn problem solving, critical thinking, and applying trigonometry and vectors to solving physics problems. The important thing that I want to emphasize is that not only you will learn physics, but you will learn to look at the world with a critical eyes and analyze everything. I promise you, after you finish this course, you will not look at the world the same way. You will see a wondrous world with possibilities. Thank you very much, and let's get started.